Every morning, many of us reach for our favorite plant-based milk, thinking we're making a conscious choice. But have you ever considered the true environmental footprint hidden within that seemingly innocent carton? Despite their lightweight nature, many of these multi-layered cartons are incredibly difficult to truly recycle into new ones, meaning fresh, virgin materials are constantly in demand. This constant cycle contributes to an alarming accumulation of waste, transforming our planet into a massive, overflowing recycling bin that's far from efficient. It's a sustainability paradox right in your fridge. Here's the harsh truth. That Recycle Me label on your milk carton often doesn't tell the whole story. These cartons are typically made from multiple layers of materials: paper, plastic, and sometimes even aluminum, making them notoriously challenging to break down and process effectively. While parts might be downcycled into other products like tissue paper, the dream of them becoming new cartons is rarely realized. This complex composition means virgin resources are constantly needed for new packaging, adding to global greenhouse gas emissions. But beyond the packaging dilemma, let's talk about the incredible goodness inside plant-based milks, especially oat. Oats are a powerhouse of nutrition, and their true hero compound is beta-glucan. This soluble dietary fiber acts as a potent prebiotic, literally feeding the beneficial bacteria in your gut microbiome. These tiny microbes thrive on beta-glucans, stimulating their growth and increasing microbial diversity, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system and a robust immune response. Beyond gut health, oats are masters of energy management. Unlike simple sugars that lead to energy spikes and crashes, the complex carbohydrates in oats, coupled with their high fiber content, provide a slow and sustained release of glucose into your bloodstream. This steady absorption helps stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing those mid-morning slumps and keeping you feeling full and energized for longer. This metabolic balance is key for sustained vitality throughout your day, supporting everything from focus to physical performance. Imagine a world where your oat milk doesn't come in a carton, but as a convenient, delicious slice. Welcome to the future. We're talking about 3D printed oat milk slices, a revolutionary concept designed to eliminate packaging waste entirely. These aren't just a novelty, they're a paradigm shift in sustainable food, offering all the creamy goodness and nutritional benefits of oat milk in a compact, solid form. This innovative approach promises to redefine our relationship with plant-based beverages and their environmental impact. But how do you turn liquid oat milk into a solid slice? This is where food science meets cutting-edge technology. Through advanced 3D printing techniques and innovative ingredient formulation, the key components of oat milk are precisely structured into a stable, solid sheet. This process leverages principles of material science to create a product that retains its nutritional integrity and flavor, while transforming its physical state. It's a leap in food manufacturing, minimizing water content and maximizing shelf stability without traditional cartons. Prepare your taste buds for an experience that's both revolutionary and utterly delicious. These oat milk slices dissolve seamlessly into hot beverages, creating the same creamy texture and subtle sweetness you love, without any of the added waste. Imagine the convenience of a perfectly portioned slice, ready to transform your coffee or tea. This isn't just about sustainability, it's about elevating your daily rituals with unmatched ease and a consistently delightful flavor profile, all while saying goodbye to bulky cartons. Don't let the innovative form factor fool you. These slices pack the nutritional punch of oats you expect. While liquid oat milk can sometimes be lower in protein, calcium, and certain vitamins compared to cow's milk, these slices can be fortified to ensure a comprehensive nutritional profile. You're still getting those crucial beta-glucans for gut health and steady energy, now in a format that's incredibly efficient and reduces overall environmental impact. Integrating oat milk slices into your life is incredibly simple. For your morning coffee or tea, just drop in a slice or two. They dissolve in seconds. For smoothies, simply add them to your blender with your other ingredients for instant creaminess. No pouring, no measuring, and absolutely no carton to discard. This isn't just about a product, it's about embracing a zero-waste lifestyle, one delicious, sustainable slice at a time. It's an easy switch with a monumental impact. The journey from liquid in a carton to a solid, 3D printed slice is more than just a culinary innovation, it's a profound step towards a more sustainable future. By choosing products like Oat Milk Slices, you're not just enjoying a delicious, nutritious beverage, you're actively reducing packaging waste and lowering your carbon footprint. It's a powerful reminder that sometimes, the smallest changes in our daily habits can create the biggest ripple effects for the health of both ourselves and our planet. Join the revolution and embrace the future of sustainable food.